Hey, hello guys, welcome to Silent Trader. Hope you all doing well and hope you all have a good day today in US stock market. So we'll do a recap on today's trade. I'll show how do I trade and where is my entry exit, what's my thought process. Hopefully this will help you to build the strategy and help you to trade more and trade with success. So if we check the overall market, the SPY is doing nothing today. It's just chop around on 600. If we check the daily chart on SPY, is above the 50 simple moving average and near all-time high. If we check the Nasdaq, it's also doing nothing. It's above the 50 simple moving average, but for today, it's doing nothing, just chop around. So as you all know, Amazon just released the earning. It dropped so hard, then after it just tried to recover, but again it starts selling toward the downside. So I start from the short position. I never trade or I haven't trade any trade on the earning, but just want to check how this works, how's the volatility, buyers and sellers. So I just start shorting. The first trade I have is around right here. Another I add one more time. We need pop. So my average is around 132 or 31. So if we'll see how that works. I don't have many shares, just few shares, just playing with it. Amazon. We'll see how this works. So today I have a pretty good day. I hit my daily goal as always. I trade a couple of stock. I'll show you how this works. The first stock I traded is QCOM. As you all know, QCOM has released earning yesterday. It dropped so hard toward downside. So this one is in my watch list. So let me show my trade. Alright, so when the market open, I wait for the first minute candle, how that's work. It is a red candle, so it means the sellers are take the control, and it is dropping below the VWAP on second candle. So I take my first entry, I take out toward the downside. Then after I take another shot when I see it pop and ready for the drop again. So it is a ABC pattern like A, B, C, and it's ready for the D. So I take another shot right here. I take profit toward the downside. So I have two trade on at the open on QCOM. This is a positive trade on green side. Another true trade, I'm thinking to break below the VWAP, but that's not work. I trade a short right here. I get stopped out. I did the same. I start short at the same level, but I get stopped out again. But overall, I'm green on QCOM. Another trade I have on Tesla. So as you all know, I'm trading Tesla pretty much every day. So the first entry I have on Tesla, when I see it reject the VWAP and it also break the daily level. If I show you the one-day chart, it break the daily level on 173, 175. So that is the price area. That is the target. I'm gonna short. So I take my first entry right here. Accidentally I hit the keyboard, the wrong button. So I out on the same price, but I add one more time. I take profit toward the downside right here, right here. When it break the 370, I take my first profit or the second profit, and I add more profit on 369.38 toward the downside. Another trade I have the same. When it reject the VWAP at the first time, I missed this entry in second time. I did the same on third time. I entered the short right here. Take the profit toward the downside as I marked down already. Another trade I have is right here. I lose on this position. The first one, I took a short right here, but I get stopped out. If I zoom out little bit, why I take this short, I'm thinking this might be break toward the downside to 370 is the psychological price level. So when it reject, I take short, but I get stopped out when it break above the 370. When I see sellers are stepped in, I take another short and I take profit toward the downside. That's a small profit. I just recovered the loss on my last trade. Another trade I take is right here. Try to short the end of the market, but that's not work and I get stopped out. So another trade I have on NVDA. NVDA is the same. I will trade pretty much every day. the NVIDIA I take a long when I see it is um, good momentum toward the upside. If we say if it you can see on my chart, it is a uptrend. So I take my first long right here. I take profit toward the upside as I already marked down with arrow. So this entry I take, just to check if this may take the 127, retest the 127. Then after I trade another trade right here, I'm short 127.50. I take small profit and I get stopped out. So this is why I have two trade on Amazon, and I'm green on this is on NVIDIA, and I'm green on NVIDIA as well. Another trade I have on Palantir. As you all know, Palantir I traded yesterday and made good money. So I thought let's try today. I see a good momentum. I take my first long and I get stopped out on loss. I try short and I get stopped out on loss as well. So the long I lose, the short I lose. So then after I said, okay, let me wait. We'll see how this works. Then after, if you check the 5-minute candle, it rejects so hard this 108.50 level. So I enter the short right here, take quick profit and recover all of my loss on last two trade. So because this trade I have with 1,000 share and the previous two is 300 share. And then after I trade another long right here, but I get stopped out. I don't have to stop out. I stopped out too early. I'm thinking it may break 110 psychological level, and it did break, but before it break, I just stopped out on this trade. I have to hold this position. I only have like small set, but due to the fear, I just stopped out. Another trade I have on SMCI. SMCI at the open, it just really to the high side. There's so many buyers, so I try to short when I see 1 week, second week. So I'm thinking it may drop below toward the downside like the VWAP area, but it not work. I get stopped out. I try again and I get stopped out again. So 2 times I get stopped out. Then after I try again. This is the downward channel on SMCI. If you draw a channel like this, it is a downward moment. So I trade another short right here and I take profit toward the downside. First profit right here, another at 33.42 and 33.26 at the VWAP. So on SMCI, I recover whatever I lose. And another trade I have, no, I think that's all I have. I have one open position on Amazon. Let me show you guys. I just short Amazon. Let me show my trade as well. I just try to, just gamble. We'll see how this works. I never trade the earning before, so I just want to see, just, you know, how that's work, how many the buyers, sellers, and just just for the fun, I just short 30 share right here, add more when it pop. I've missed this entry when I do my recap. I missed this entry, but we'll see how this work. My average is around 231 or 232, I guess. So my average is 231.66. So it just dropped below my average price. So I'm green on Amazon as well. We'll see, and it has released the earning and quarter is a little bit bad. So we'll see. I'm thinking it may retest this 126. If it retest the 126, I take the profit. I do not want to hold this position overnight. So this is all, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. We'll see how this Amazon entry work. I'll do Amazon recap on my tomorrow recap video. We'll see. I'll show you if it's profitable or I lose in this position. This is very small size, just for the fun. We'll see how this work. So I'm thinking it may break below 230, and then after I take profit at 226. We'll see. So hope you find this video helpful. If you want to start your journey as a trader, Feel free to write in the comment section. I will help you step by step how you can start your journey as a trader and how to manage risk, where to enter, where to exit, how to take the profit. And that's all, guys. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask any question in the comment box. We'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.